After recording your presentation and launching Camtasia, your screen recording will be in the media bin as one file. Drag it to the timeline and your PowerPoint recording will be on one track with the camera recording above it. If you used PowerPoint slide notes, you will be prompted to import them as timed captions. Click Yes to import the captions, which will appear on the next track up. Move your camera recording and captions up 2 tracks. This will leave 2 open tracks between the camera recording and the PowerPoint recording to use for visually highlighting your media with effects. Move the captions up at least 1 additional track. You can import a background image by clicking the plus sign and import media to choose an image file. Place the image on the track just above the PowerPoint recording and drag the head or tail so it's the same length as your recording on the timeline. In the canvas area, resize and place your camera recording by clicking on the media to move and the side and corner points to resize. Place the image so it is behind the recording and its size matches or overlaps it. Use the Remove a Color visual effect to take out your camera recording background. A green screen works great, though any color of fabric can be used. Just be sure your background is all the same color. Drag the Remove a Color effect and drop it onto the camera recording. In the Properties panel, click the Color drop-down to choose a color or use the eyedropper tool to select the color from your background. You can use tolerance and softness to fine-tune your image. Use the track mat and callout features to change the shape and look of your video recording. Click Annotations, the Shapes icon, and choose a solid colored shape. Drag the shape onto the track above your camera recording and drag it to the same length. Move the shape in the canvas window and resize it so it covers your image. Drag another of the same callout shape onto the track above your image. Lengthen it on the timeline and move and resize it to match your first one in the canvas window. Camtasia will help you resize it to match. On the 2 shape callout tracks, right-click the eyeball icon to bring up track mat mode and click Alpha on both tracks. Now you can be anywhere in the universe and really impress your students.